So the first thing that we should do with our Rider 750 is to turn it on using the power button here, which just requires a slight press. Okay, after the device powers on, you'll see that you have to choose which language you would like to use. And from here, you can scroll through and see there is a plethora of languages that are available. But for today's video, we're just going to choose English. And after you've made your selection, you'll double confirm by pressing OK. Up next is going to be our unit of measurement that we'll be using on this device. So for us, we're going to choose kilometers and kilograms by making the selection. And this will bring you to our QR code. So what this QR code will allow you to do is if you scan it with your smartphone, it will give you access to the Bryton Active app for both iOS and Android. We will get into the Bryton Active app a little bit later on in this video, so for now we're just going to press OK. And just like that, we've gotten through all of the preliminary setup, and we're now at the home page of the Rider 750. Okay, so from here we're going to show you a couple of ways to navigate through the meter page, as well as through some of the menus in the Rider 750. So the first thing you'll notice is your bike profile here, and you'll see that there are 3 bike profiles available on the Rider 750. Since we're going to be using this on our primary bike, we're going to just select bike 1. From here, you'll see that a couple of instructions will appear on the screen that'll help guide you through your first time usage with the Rider 750. So after scrolling through here and seeing all the various options, we're going to get to our main meter page. So, scrolling through our various meter pages is as easy as swiping left or right. And this will allow you to scroll through the various pages. Okay, if on one of the pages you'd like to change one of the data, all you have to do is press and hold until the section is highlighted, and press again to get into the customization field. So for example, if we wanted to change this to distance, all we'd have to do is select that option and press OK. Another unique feature to the Rider 750 is the Quick Sensor Status menu, and you can access this by simply tapping once on the screen, and your sensors would appear here. Okay. And finally, the most important swipe navigation is going to be swipe up to return home. And that'll bring you back to the home screen on the Rider 750. Okay, after that, we're going to move over to our smartphone. And from here, we're going to choose the Bryton Active app. And on the home screen, we're going to log in using our email and password that we've set up for our Bryton Active app, or use the sign up feature to create a new account. So this will just take 1 moment to get you signed in. And as soon as all of your user data is synced, we're going to open up to the main page, which will then prompt the device manager page. So, since we do want to add our Rider 750 to this, we're going to use the green plus sign to add a new device. It's going to scan for nearby devices, and we're going to choose the Rider 750. And then ensure that the UUID on the screen matches the UUID on the device itself. Okay, so now that we've confirmed that, we're going to hit yes. And this is going to bind our Rider 750 to our Bryton Active app. So here you can see an overview of your device, as well as various options to modify some of the settings on the Rider 750 or customize your ride. So one feature that we do want to make sure is enabled is the auto-sync track feature, which will be right at the top of your screen. This can be enabled by simply pressing once, moving the toggle switch to the green, and now every time the Rider 750 is connected via Bluetooth to your smart device, it'll automatically sync these tracks and upload them to your Bryton Active account. And just like that, the Rider 750 is all set up and ready to use, and ready to be taken out on a ride. Okay, now that we're outside, we're going to get the Rider 750 set up by first powering it on using the top left-hand power button on the device. So once the boot screen is on, it'll take 1 second to get set up, and in the meantime we're going to install our safety lanyard. Installing the device itself on the mount is as easy as putting it in, twisting, and clicking into position. So now that we've done that, you can see in the top right hand corner that we've acquired satellite connection, meaning that we're good to go for our ride. So we're going to click into our meter page, and in the top right hand corner of our device, we're going to push the record button. So after that's pushed, the device is ready to record and will start recording any activities that you do. So, now that we have the device recording, one thing we can do is swipe through the data pages to see the various fields that we have set up already on our pages. Additionally, with the map installed, you can see the map of the area where you are, as well as where you're going. By pressing on the screen, you get the quick sensor menu, and when you're finished recording, just push the record button again, which will stop the ride, and allow you to choose whether you would like to save. So hit OK to save the ride, and just like that, your ride is finished. So we're going to move over to our smartphone, which we have Rider 750 connected, and by pressing on the icon, you'll see that the ride has already been synced. With the auto sync feature, this will happen automatically.